So over here, you can see that I have an image of a lady, and here she has freckles on her face. So if I want to, let's say, for example, smoothen out her skin, I can go around onto the heal tool right here. So on the heal tool, you can see that on the top, there is patch and infill. So you can choose the method you like. So you can go around and then work around with the brush size right here. Let me just zoom in to work around with this closely. If I were to click here, let's say, for example, it patches that out, as you can see. I can also go around onto infill and then click and drag the brush around to make her skin smooth, as you can see right here. So I can go around, patch out different things by clicking on it, or I can use the infill to draw around her shape right here. So it does not look very natural, as you can see. So you got to be very, very careful while you're using this. So let me just undo this out a few times right here. Undo, 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 Control Z. And what you might want to do is really make your brush size small right here so that it only targets one part right here. So you can see that you can go around and smoothen that part out right here. So you can do this subtly. So you can go around right here. So there's a lot of freckles on her face, so I won't be doing it all, but you'll be able to see that once I click on it, we can clear it out just slowly. So it does take a bit of time right here, but eventually you can just go around and then smoothen it out, as you can see. So you can click over here on the freckles right here, click around over here on the freckles right here, just like this, click around over here, click around over here, and then that is how you can work around with it. So you can just go around over here, go around over here just like this, and then just click around, drag around, and then there you go. You can make it smoother and smoother as time goes by, just like this. So you can also go around over here onto this one, her nose right here. So slowly you can click around over here, and you can see that it starts getting smoother and smoother. You can just go around right here, and there you go. And that is how you can use the healing brush tool. So you can see that it actually helps you to smoothen out the skin just like that. So that is how you can heal out the facial features inside of Pixlr E by using the healing brush tool. And you can also use this to remove out certain elements right here, just like this, to remove out her top and so forth. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. And if I were to go around, heal this, you can see that you can also cover up some holes or something if you want to. So let's say, for example, you want to heal this, you can go around right here, close out her mouth for, let's say, for example, and then work around with it. So that is how you can use the healing brush tool inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.